Welcome to downtown Medellin, Colombia. Today I'll be taking you around Plaza Botero in downtown. If you've never been here, or if you're planning a trip here and want to get a sneak peek, this video is for you. But first, we need to get there. Start by taking the metro to the Parque Barrio station and follow my lead. I will explain Plaza Botero as we go. As you exit the metro station, you'll see vending machines to your left, as well as ATM machines. This would be a good time to get some cash. From here, you will start hearing and seeing the excitement of downtown. Let's head there now. Welcome to Plaza Botero, one of Medellin's most iconic landmarks. This open-air plaza is home to 23 oversized sculptures by the famous Colombian artist Fernando Botero, whose work is known for its distinctive style, voluptuous, exaggerated forms that challenge the norms of classical art. Botero's sculptures are impossible to ignore. The exaggerated proportions, the larger-than-life figures, each piece tells a story, inviting you to see the world through Botero's eyes. But what makes this plaza so special goes beyond just the art. Plaza Botero is more than just an art gallery. It's a gathering place where locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the outdoors, socialize, and soak in Medellin's vibrant atmosphere. Located in La Candelaria, Medellin's historic district. The plaza is right next to the Museum of Antioquia, which houses many more of Botero's works, alongside pieces from local artists. Together, they create a cultural hub that draws thousands of visitors each year. But there's more to Plaza Botero than just its art. The plaza is a symbol of Medellin's transformation. Once a city plagued by violence, Medellin has blossomed into a hub of innovation, culture, and resilience. Plaza Botero reflects this change, bringing art directly into the public space, making it accessible to everyone. And did you know? The sculptures aren't the only art pieces you'll find in Plaza Botero. The fountain in the center of the plaza is also a piece of art designed to complement the larger-than-life figures. While the plaza's art is certainly eye-catching, the surrounding architecture plays a key role in its charm. The old colonial-style buildings around the plaza create a beautiful contrast with the modernity of the sculptures and the dynamic vibe of the people here. Now, let's get to know each sculpture, one by one. Maternidad, motherhood. One of Botero's most tender works, Maternidad captures the bond between mother and child, symbolizing protection and maternal love. Mujer vestida, dressed woman, shows a woman in clothing with amplified volume, conveying a sense of fullness and strength. And right next to her is hombre vestido, or dressed man. Mujer reclinada, reclining woman. Perro, dog. A playful and accessible sculpture, the dog is depicted with a robust and joyful figure that stands out for its tenderness and dynamism. Caballo, horse. A monumental horse sculpture showcasing Botero's love for animals. Its soft, rounded lines and exaggerated proportions make it a striking piece. Mujer con espejo, woman with mirror. In this sculpture, a woman holds a mirror, referencing both feminine beauty and personal introspection. Adam, a robust male figure representing the biblical Adam. Pensamiento, thought. A figure that conveys reflection and introspection, Pensamiento captures the essence of the human mind, represented in a robust and solid form. Mujer sentada, seated woman. A seated woman representing serenity and rest. Eva, Eve. The female counterpart to Adam, Eve is depicted with generously voluptuous forms, challenging classical depictions in religious art. Cabeza, an abstract representation of a human head. Gato, cat. One of the most iconic sculptures, El Gato has become a symbol of the city. With its large ears and bulky body, the cat stands out for its size and invites public interaction. Mujer con fruta, woman with fruit, shows a woman holding a fruit, blending human figures with everyday objects. Mano, hand, a giant hand sculpture, emphasizing the importance of this human organ. Its detailed representation prompts reflection on human action. Sphinx, a reinterpretation of the mythical Sphinx, combining mystery and wisdom with Botero's characteristic exaggerated proportions. Rapto de Europa, Abduction of Europe, references classical mythology, where Europe is abducted by Zeus transformed into a bull. Venus Dormida, Sleeping Venus, shows a woman resting, with her exaggeratedly robust figure emphasizing the serenity of sleep. Hombre Caminante, Walking Man, depicts a human figure in motion, capturing strength and determination as a person advances on their path. Hombre a caballo, Man on Horseback, a classical figure of a man riding a horse, portrayed with Botero's distinctive volume. Soldado Romano, Roman soldier, evokes warriors of the Roman Empire, depicted with the powerful presence typical of Botero's figures. Caballo con brida, depicts a horse adorned with a bridle, symbolizing nobility and control. And last but not least, mujer, or woman. Plaza Botero is a place that bridges the past and the present, where history meets modern-day Medellin. Whether you're here to admire the sculptures, snap a photo, or just experience the lively atmosphere, there's no shortage of things to see and do. As the sun sets, Plaza Botero transforms. The sculptures glow under the city lights, and the vibrant energy of Medellin carries on into the night.